Yeah, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Our weekend in a but I don't know, river vibes today, cause expect rain later. Time overcast, so show you what we're gonna do today. Yeah, watch your style now. So this we're gonna do today. Use up the yard space. See? And Tanisha out in the car now there, so I jerk some, roast some fish. I roast some fish and some festival. And so we have yard look like a football field, so is it doing? Yeah, it look like a football field, so we are going to utilize it today. Yeah, man, because we can't go river and I'm angry. Yeah, man, so me have to go out the anger on it. Kilani, you going to the river today? You going to swim? You going to swim? Let's swim. Kilani says you're going to swim. You can't swim today, baby. Rain. Huh? Rain, you cannot swim today. So we're going to stay home. Right? You stay, yes, you're going to stay home today. Okay. Yeah, man, Tanisha, go do some potato pudding. Tanisha, I'm doing a big potato pudding. So. And then cocoa if you go in it, you know, to get like a body.
Right.
Yeah.
I see over here we have a sweet potato. Those are already peeled.
Yeah, man, that's a code. One of the biggest cocoa me watch it. Man, hey, that can knock out somebody. If they the cocoa they drop in the head, they knock out.
Have it.
Channel me I go set up with Tanisha. Where's your bake? Banana bread and potato pudding. And then this is my little section where I go do me roast fish. Now I go stuff them still now, just blend up some season and put them around the grill. So the grill clean up already. I'm well scour this off this morning and stuff, so yeah man, just stay tuned, you know. Now check this out. Yeah man, it's kinda look bad at all, cause me say you know, anyhow the sun come on me I go river. But we just go and sort out the food stuff and stuff for it. Because the ingredients them start yeah, because Tanisha them started them cake and stuff already, so whenever that I'm going to river already because sun come out, you know. So, but we are going to do that, you know, we are going to do that shortly. Because anyhow the rain come back down, we are going to do that. But we have to go and start out the food and stuff first. Because I light up the fire. The only thing I light up yet is a jerk pan, but more than likely I do that still, so I'm going to that a vibe. Yep, and jerk pan ready. Check out Tanisha like a garden. Outside garden. Yeah, on a outside garden this. Tomato they did about tomato reap already. Tomato and watermelon. Check out the cook now. Kelani the cooking now. Outdoor cooking. I'm gonna see great RJ, you know. Man. Man, check this out, you know. We have dragon fruit, you know. Yeah, man. What if a dragon fruit? This is just what we pick and put here, so. But we reap dragon fruit regularly after them. Big dragon fruit, too. Pink. Pink and yellow. Pink and yellow dragon fruit. Alright, so this is a fish sauce. Yeah, this blend up with everything. I'm gonna add a little. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little. Really? Spur tree. Some spur tree pepper sauce, I add to it. Yeah. Fish here now, I'm going to clean them up because Kelani and RG over there and swing. Whee!
And grease the grill as well.
Yeah. I love the grill. Here, man. It's a coconut brush, you know. Your regular brush. And if you notice, I'll blaze it up too. Yeah? So you throw it on the coconut brush. Rub it on the grill so the fish don't stick. No man, I'm not normal man. Hey, I love food, brother. every time I say it, I never see it on video, so I can't eat bun and cheese like that. So I love my food then. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, listen. Sizzle it and sizzle. Yeah, man, me have a gift, man. Yo, anyhow, hey, baby. If you stop doing me, I do, man, I something me I go do. Straight jerk them out, call me, and then see me a road and say, yo, jerky.
Good man, yeah. Come on, guys.
Me I tell you? Boy, me I tell you what.
I just show me can't see God for shaking hand, brother.
Yeah, she got fish shaky hand. Make a man good, man. Much pan kill on here, man, in my pot. Hey, 20 years me had this pot, you know. Yeah, and she come ready for mash up. Them a pot I can make again, man. Yeah, man. First time Magnum did bad. Watch you fish them, no? Yeah, man. Solid them just sit down on the ground. Yeah, man. Broke off bedfoot fish them. Yeah, man. Drop by the floor. Yes, so that is jerkfish. Ready to serve. How is it, Tanisha? Johnny Cake or festival?
Festival.
Oh, festival. Pretty though. Man. Immaculate. And I sing me teeth not to them. Me have to check it out, man.
Homemade banana bread.
Banana bread pretty, man.
And it come out nicely.
What? Yeah, nice, man. Chin chin. Bossy me say bossy. So watch this, everybody, rain come down again, you know. Rain come down and thing.
Hey, let's go. Come on,
So that's how you go. You have to just bring one in your pot. Well, one pudding left. My little brother come leave me and do in there, so one all the vibes. Yeah, man. Alright, Kilani, me go feature. Just easy now. This is a Tanisha Shrimp Festival. Yeah. Rich, real rich like Tanto Blacks. Yeah, man, give thanks.